July is one of the hottest months of the year for Shopify dropshipping. This is the time where buyers worldwide are actively looking for summer products, home gadgets, outdoor accessories, and other products, okay? Now, in this video, I'm going to show you some of the best Shopify dropshipping products for July 2026. Products that are already generating sales right now. But here's the important part that I want you to focus on and understand. We are not just going to rely on guesses or hypes, none of that. We're going to analyze real Shopify stores, reveal hidden sales data, calculate profit margins, and source exact products, like the same products from AliExpress. And honestly, you should definitely watch this video until the end, because the last product alone generated over $29,000 in monthly profit from one single product. Yeah, I'm not kidding. I'm not hyping here. I'm serious. Over $29,000 in profit from one winning product during the summer season. So if you want to discover trending Shopify products with strong demand and high profit potential for July 2026, let's get started. Okay, so the first product that we have here is the book reading lamp. And look at the video. I think it looks pretty cool, to be honest. Very easy to create content and go viral with this because it's so cool. You know, this is a very, very creative product that allows people to comfortably read at night. This product has a wow factor, like definitely has a wow factor. And in this case, the sourcing price is actually really hard to guess just by looking at the product. The real price of this, like, would you know? Could you guess? No, it's difficult, right? So, and I was able to find the same product being sold in this dropshipping store right here. Look at that. And it's being sold for $33.99 Canadian dollar, which is around $24.95. Okay. Now, in order for me to better understand whether this product is actually selling well and not just, getting likes and engagement on social media, what I'm going to do is very simple. I'm going to use the Zik store sales tracker. So what I'm going to do here, so I'll simply come here and I'll copy the store's URL like this, okay? And then I'm going to go to the tool, paste into the tool, and press search. Look at this, all right? Now we have so much information here. I get the full analysis of the whole store, from the best-selling products right here to the overall store revenue right here in the past 30 days. So here I can see that this book reading lamp was sold 47 times in the last 30 days. Look at that. And when it comes down to sourcing the product, it's quite simple. I just click here in the item finder like this, and look at that, right? I can see many exact matches, but I'll go with this one right here, and look at that. Okay, so now, do you see that? This is definitely the exact same product, and the sourcing cost from AliExpress is $3.73 plus $2.52 for shipping. So the total sourcing price is only $6.25. Now, let's calculate how much profit this dropshipping store made from this product variation alone, okay? So the selling price is $24.95. The Shopify fee is 2.9% plus 30 cents, which is $1.02. The AliExpress sourcing price is $6.25, including shipping. So the profit from each sale is around $17.68. And with 47 sales in the past 30 days, the store generated around $831 in profit before ad costs and operation expenses. And honestly, not bad at all for a semi-low ticket product that with correct marketing can easily become a product with year-round sales potential. Can definitely be an evergreen product, okay? Now, the next product is the cooling gel pillow. Look at that. This is a perfect product for the hotter months of the year. People during summer especially, they are looking for ways to sleep more comfortably. And what I personally like most about this product right here is the market fit. Because if you own a general dropshipping store or a store focused on home accessories and home comfort products, this is definitely a product worth adding. And check out this store right here. I was able to find this cooling gel pillow being sold for $49. For a product that solves a real comfort problem like this one, the price is not bad. It's actually, it makes sense, I think. So when I scanned this dropshipping store using the Zik sales tracker, I was able to see that this product was sold 63 times in the past 30 days. And when it comes down to sourcing, I did the same thing. I found the same exact product being sold on AliExpress, okay? And the sourcing price is only $30.63 plus another $1.48 for shipping fee. So the total cost is $32.11. So that means that the dropshipping store that we just saw is making around $15 profit per sale. Take that times 63 sales, we're talking about $945 in monthly revenue. Now, personally, I would recommend using this product either as an add-on product in your store or as part of a bundle with other bedroom or comfort-related products, okay? And even more importantly, I would definitely recommend offering a small discount for customers buying more than one unit, because this is the type of product that people are much more likely to buy in pairs. All right, so we already covered a few winning products, okay? And we still have many great products coming up, and I really want to show you all these products. And if you're enjoying this video so far, just please take 2 seconds to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and if you want to discover more winning products like this one using real sales data like profit analysis and store tracking, you can start using Zik today. Okay, so don't go anywhere. Let me show you the next product, which is pretty fun. It's this one, the cat planter. Look at this video. Oh my goodness. This is pretty fun, I guess, right? This is exactly the type of product that fits perfectly into the impulsive buy price range of around $20, $30, And the engagement around this product among cat lovers is just huge. When it comes to the hotter months of the year, this is actually one of the best times for people to start growing plants indoors, outdoors, you name it, which makes this product even more relevant during summer season. Now, I was able to find this dropshipping store right here. And the thing is, this product is selling for $18.99. And when I added the product to the checkout, I noticed there was an additional $9.99 for shipping fees, okay? So the overall price is actually $28.98. Now, after scanning the store using the Zik store sales tracker, I was able to see that this product was sold 62 times, right, in the past 3 days. And then I found this exact product right here on AliExpress. Look at that. And yes, look at that. It's definitely the same product, and the sourcing price is only $14.74 with free shipping included. That means that the profit per sale is around $13, okay? Now, by selling 62 units in the past month, this product generated around $806 in monthly profit. So if you have a dropshipping store in the pet niche, home decor niche, or even like gardening niche, this product can very easily become a best seller. All right, the next product is the DNA finger ring, okay? Check this out. So this is a product that has recently experienced a strong spike in demand. Whenever there's a clear spike in demand, that's exactly where you want to position yourself with products that match that trend, okay? Personally, I really like selling fashion products like this one because they can be sourced very cheaply while still being sold at premium prices. Now, I was able to find this product in this fashion dropshipping store right here, and the product is being sold for $20.95 plus another $8 for shipping fee when adding the product to checkout. So yes, in reality, the total price is $28.95. And when I scanned the store using the Zik sales tracker, I was able to find that this product sold 104 times in the past 30 days, which is, honestly, a very decent amount for a fashion product like this one. And then with sourcing, I just clicked the item finder as you saw me do it before, and I found right here, look at this, the exact same ring on AliExpress, and look at that. It's the same materials, everything, in this case with 925 sterling silver, all that stuff is the same, okay? And the sourcing price is only $11.24 plus another $4.35 for shipping fees. Total sourcing price is $15.59. That means that this fashion dropshipping store is making around $12.20 profit per sale. Take that, multiply by 104, we're talking about $1,268 in monthly profit. Simply from identifying a product with a spike in demand and just acting on it quite early. Okay, the next product, absolutely brilliant. With the correct marketing, my friend, it can completely transform a dropshipping store. I'm serious. This heat-resistant barbecue gloves, and it's one of the most important products for the barbecue season. That is, right now it's actually starting worldwide, right? This is good, and the barbecue niche is huge, and the people around the world are willing to spend good money to improve their barbecue experience while also staying safe. Okay, this is exactly why this product is such a gem. Now, I was able to find this dropshipping store right here selling this product for, guess how much? Look at that, $39.99. And when I scanned the store using the Zig Store Sales Tracker, I was able to see that this product was sold 44 times last month, okay? I clicked the item finder and look, I found this option right here for you, right? This is definitely the exact same product that is being sold at that dropshipping store. Okay, and the sourcing price is great. Only $13.17 with free shipping included. My friend, this means that the profit per sale is around $25. Okay, and with 44 sales, we're talking about $1,100 in monthly profit from this product alone. I think this is a great find, all right? So let's talk about this last product, because this last product is a pure winner for the summer season and so on. Because anyway, this is the dog cushion for cars. You can see it's AI generated, but it looks very sharp. And this product has a very wide audience of dog owners who want to keep their cars clean while taking their four-legged friends on long or short trips, you name it. But this is one of those products that creates a win-win situation for everyone, okay? The dog stays comfortable, the car stays clean, and the owner just enjoys the trip much more. Personally, I really like products like this one because they solve a real problem while feeling premium. Now, I found this product listed in this dropshipping store right here. By the way, cool name, Rough and Rome. Rough. Anyway, so it's selling for $159.99, which is, honestly, I would consider a reasonable price for a product like this one, especially because it's designed to be heavy duty and durable and so on. And when I scanned the store using the Zig Store Sales Tracker, this is what I saw, that this semi-high ticket product was sold 313 times in the past 30 days. Do you see that? Honestly, this is amazing number for a product like this one. And when it comes down to sourcing, I'm just going to click here in the item finder, let it load. Look at that. I'm going to go with this one right here. And look at that. Okay, so can you see that? This is definitely the exact same product. And the sourcing price is only $60.24 with free shipping. Okay, without any special discounts and so on. Do you understand that? That means that this dropshipping store is making around $95 profit per sale. And by selling 313 units in the past 30 days, this product generated around $29,735 in monthly profit. Yes, you heard that right. Over $29,000 in profit from one product alone. And I gotta be honest with you, without doing proper product research, I would never guess this product could have such a huge demand, okay? So my friend, look, these were some of the best Shopify dropshipping products for July 2026. And honestly, what I really like about these products is that they perfectly fit what buyers are actively looking for during this time of the year. Whether it's summer comfort products, barbecue accessories, pet products, home gadgets, impulsive buy products, all of them with a strong seasonal demand and solid profit potential. And as you saw throughout this video here, you saw that we did not rely on random TikTok views or guesses and so on. We actually used sales data, sourcing prices, and Shopify store analysis and profit calculations to validate every single product. And so the last product alone just shows you exactly why proper product research is so important. You know, like without data, most people would never imagine what a product that a product like that could generate over $29,000 in monthly revenue. Okay? All right, so if you enjoyed this video and found it valuable somehow, look, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel for more Shopify dropshipping videos like this one. And if you want to use the same tools that I used in this video to discover winning products, analyze Shopify stores, and validate products using real data, you can start using Zik today. Thank you so much for watching. It means a lot to me. Keep moving forward, and I'll see you next time.